We're in your community today getting you in shape here at Core Fitness in Hazleton on Broad Street. We're back with the co-owner, Christie Book, and today we're talking about flexibility.
Yes, flexibility is super important all throughout life, especially as we get older because we start to lose our mobility, so we want to keep those muscles active and lengthened. So before and after most of our exercises, we like to incorporate a nice long stretch. And we even offer Pilates and flow fusion and yoga, which are great for stretching. So you want to get that long, lean look. This is what you want to do. So there's two different types of stretching. We have static stretching, where you're going to hold at the tension of the muscle for 20 seconds and repeat that stretch 2 to 3 times. And then there's dynamic stretching, where you're going to move through the range of motion and continue against both opposing muscle groups.
Okay. Can we show some of that?
So they're holding a static stretch over to one side.
Okay.
So they're going to hold that. We're going to breathe through that stretch for 20 seconds. And stretching, first of all, should never, ever be painful. You want to go to the end of where you're comfortable and hold the breath through, breathing through. So every time that you exhale, you want to sink a little bit deeper into your stretch, and that's going to help you gain more flexibility back.
Okay, so should you stretch? How important is it to stretch before a workout, and how important is it to stretch after a workout?
It depends on the school of thought. A lot of people say now warm-ups aren't necessary. We still do them. We do a light warm-up, a light stretching, and then we always cool down and do a stretching at the end because it's beneficial at that point. Your muscles are warm, and you want to get the length back in them.
Okay, so the more stretching you do, does that help with your flexibility?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's going to help with your flexibility. It's going to help with your everyday activities. You will see as you get older, if you're not active, those muscles start to tighten up. And you'll notice if you haven't exercised or stretched in a while, you used to be able to reach your toes and now you can't anymore. So this is where you want to try to incorporate that daily back into your routine.
And is flexibility and doing those movements actually called exercise, or is this something you should do as your warm-up?
It can be exercise.
Okay.
When you're talking about Pilates and yoga, you are incorporating both cardio and strength training along with your flexibility. So those two types of exercises are the one-stop shop, again, for your flexibility, your strength, and your cardio.
Great. Join us every Monday here at Core Fitness. Next week, we'll have some more fun stuff for you to learn about. You can also call Core Fitness. Stop by. Again, it's an all-women's fitness facility here in Hazleton. We'll see you next week.